friends, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel today. If you are visiting for the first time, my name is Kalistus Onyeuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to easily create an Android app without coding. So I would want you to watch this video to the end to learn how you can easily create a functional Android application that can be installed on any Android device without coding. If you're a website owner or you're a blogger, you would want to have a simple app for your blog. Simply pay attention to this video to the end, watch carefully and follow all the steps that I've mentioned here to successfully create Android app without coding. But before then, I would want you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and then activate the notification button to receive any new video I upload at any time. Thank you. So friends, to create Android apps free of charge without coding, you are going to open up your web browser and visit this website here, appsgiza.com. Although I am going to put the link in the description below so that you'll be able to launch the website directly from there. So when you open up this website, you can see the interface here. This is the home page, right? So you're going to navigate to create app for free. You're going to click on this button here, create app for free. Okay, and then it's going to take you to this interface where you'll have to select the kind of app you want to create. From here you can see we have different types of app that you can create using this platform here. So the first one is a VPN. If you want to create a VPN app, you can select the first one. The second one is a business website. The third one for video calls. All right, if you want to create an app that allows people to make video calls, you can select the video calls app here. Now the next one is the slot machine. The other one, messenger with video calls, wallpaper and others. So this is for popular category. You can see from the navigation bar here, the business bar brings up apps that are categorized under business. All right, and then here the individual bar brings up apps that are categorized under individual, which you can actually monetize by putting them on Google Play Store and other platforms where people can download app. Okay, so now for this tutorial, my interest is to create an app for an already existing website or blog. Alright, so I'm going to go back to this popular tab, and then you can see the second options here, business website. Irrespective of the nature of website you have, you can use this platform to create an app that works exactly the same way your website works. Whether it's an e-commerce website, it's a portal or blog. Once you create an app by following these steps here, the app will automatically inherit all the features of your website. So when people open the app on their phone, it will just be as if they are visiting your website directly from the app. So all the features there will be available. All right, so I am going to select this business website because I want to create an app for an already existing blog or website. So when I click here, now you will be required to type in the URL, all right, of the website you want to create an app for. Copy the URL of the website and then put it in this box where you're required to put in the URL of the website. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on this button that says get content. So when you click on this button, it is going to fetch content from this website or blog. All right, so you can see that the URL has appeared in this pane below the get content button. All right, so from here, if you have social media links for your website, you can go on and click on each one of them after the other, and then after which you input their various social media links. Let's say for Twitter, you copy the Twitter URL for your Twitter page, and then on Facebook as well you do the same thing, YouTube and others. So after doing all these things, you will go down, okay, and customize your app to fit your need. You can see these are different options that lets you select how you want your app to be. Okay, so then we have to proceed by clicking on next. All right, so you are required to type in the name of your app here. So the name of the app is techwap.com.ng, and then the description is a tech diary, but I can just go ahead and clean everything here and leave it as techwap ng. So from here I am going to click on next, and here you will be required to select an icon, all right, for your app. The icon that will appear when people install your app on their mobile phone, so that they can easily locate it from the list of apps they have. So you can either use the default icon, or if you have an already made logo for your website, you're going to click on custom icon, and then you're going. So let us say you already have a custom logo for your website. So you're going to click on this custom icon, and then click on upload to select your logo so that it will be used on the app. So I'm going to click on this TechWap logo here, and then I'm going to click on done. So you will have to crop the logo to fit in this box here. All right, this is just a picture I'm using as sample. All right, so I expect you to have a well and perfectly designed logo that you can use for the app so that it will look professional. So this is the logo I'm going to use, and then after this I'm going to click on crop. Okay, you can see that it has appeared here. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next. All right, and then you can see that I've completed all the steps required for now. So you can go ahead to review them in case there's anything you want to change. If you want to change some settings, you can click on the app settings, all right, to make a review or change anything you want to change. Okay, you can as well click on app name to change the name that you had put before. You can as well click on icon in case you want to change the icon. But in the absence of any correction, then you can just go on and click on create. You can see the create button here. Click on create, and then wait for the generation of the app to take place. Now when it comes to this interface, you will be required to sign up, or if you already have an account with this platform, you can log in. Okay, but then the simpler way to have account with this platform is to sign up using Google. So I already have an account signed up using Google, so you can just click on continue with Google. Okay, and the platform. So you can just close all these adverts you are seeing here. You can close them, close each one of them. Okay, now you'll be required to confirm your email address. You open up your email address to check the link that was sent to you. Okay, so now that we have successfully created our app, you can go on and click on this button that has an arrow pointing downwards, which is enclosed with a circle. So you can click on this icon here to download your app that you just created. So now when you click on that button, you'll be given various options to download your app. So you can either send app to your mail, all right, from the first option you can see here. Then you can download the app bundle, which you can use to rebuild the app, or you can download the APK directly. So here, no need to send it to mail. Click on this button by the right hand side. You can see .apk bracket Android package. Okay, so you can just click on this button here so that your download will start immediately. Okay, so you can see what is happening here. Now you'll be asked if you want to download this type of file that is capable of harming your device. Since it is an app you created and you are sure that it's not any harmful, you are going to click on OK, alright, to download the app. So you have downloaded the app. The next thing you're going to do is to open and install it, alright. So let us quickly click on install, and then you watch the app install completely. Okay, we have completely installed this app, so I'm going to click on the open button now to see the layout of the app I have just created. So we wait for the app to load up the website. So you can see we have successfully created a functional Android app for this blog. So you can share this app on Play Store, or you can share it on your website for people to download so they can easily visit your website simply by opening this app on their mobile phone instead of visiting your website directly. So whichever way you want it, this platform is very useful and helpful. On the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, as you are going to continually see videos like this on my channel. Thanks for watching.